guys, July 28th, 2022. This one here I got a call for no AC. I worked with this guy before, doing some plumbing stuff for him, so he's an older guy, and we'll go by and see if we can figure out what's going on with it. Maybe it's something easy. A lot of times it's something simple you can fix, and the thing gets up and running again. And it was. Have you changed the batteries in here? Is the batteries?
Oh yeah, the
batteries have been changed.
Yeah. It just kicked on.
So the inside unit's working that you know of.
Listen, it'll kick on.
Right, and you got the filters are changed. Okay. So let me check it outside. So it's periodic. Sometimes it's running, sometimes it's not. Sometimes it's cool and sometimes it's not.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear it.
My ear hand let this one out.
How do I get out there?
Right out there.
It's a Goodman. Yeah, so you can feel the air coming out. It ain't hot. It's probably low on charge. PSI, see it? I don't know if you can see it. Hang on a minute. I can't put the shit in the sun because then it will. Yeah, fucking thing will die on me. Got a leaker.
Think?
Yeah. Fucking 20 PSI. See it? 19?
Yeah.
No good. It's way too low there. See it? 19 is going to ice up. Look at the superheat. So we got a leak. You want it to work? I got to add some.
Of course.
Yeah. 20.
That number will go up.
See that? Yeah. When I put gas in, it's going to go up. But I'm just going to show you what 20 does. I'm going to show you why it ices up. It's a PT chart right here. R22 is the second column. We're at 20, right?
Yep.
20 PSI is minus 5. See 20?
Yep.
Minus 5.
Yep.
So when I put gas in it, say it goes to 60 or 70. At 70 it's 41 temperature. So that's why it ices.
So the lower the worse.
The lower the pressure, the colder it gets.
Yep.
The colder it gets. So obviously you got a leak here somewhere. I don't know how long it's been leaking, but it's not good. Looks like a 3-ton. It's an 06, 07 maybe? Is that about right?
That sounds about right. Yeah, so 13, 14 years.
Have you been running the unit or you've been having it off?
Oh yeah.
You've been running it?
Oh no, I had it off.
Okay.
I had it off the last day and a half.
Yeah, because that makes a difference when I go to charge it here. Yep. It's on. We're bringing that suction pressure up a little bit. We're going to bring the superheat, we're going to bring that down.
Yep.
It's at 50, it's too high.
Okay.
I don't know if you can see that, but I got to leave that in the shade because if not, it won't work. See, we're already at 55. Give it a little more and we'll get it to where we want it. I mean, it's going to work for now, but the problem is it's got a leak here and it's going to keep leaking out. You probably got another 4 more weeks or so for cooling season and that's it, right?
Yeah, the month of August, month of September, yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna once I get it to where I want it, it's gonna start working better. Before it wasn't coming out hot. It wasn't coming out hot because you lost your gas.
I got you. Okay. I don't understand the whole exchange.
Right. No, you got a bad leak somewhere, so that's not good. It's not good. It's not supposed to leak.
It's in the.
Hasn't leaked in how many years? I mean, since you had it, right?
So it's in the air handler.
Well, I'm saying most likely it's in that coil. But this is R22 equipment. You're better off to replace this unit and replace the air handler upstairs. That's the way to do it. Because if you're going to spend, say the coil's bad up there, and you're going to spend so what we got there? 78 on the suction, 21 on the superheat. As long as it don't drop too much here, we'll keep an eye on this. Keep an eye on this 67. Don't drop too much. I could take a little out if I had to, but ain't looking too bad there. Forget it's a leaker, right? Shot it a little bit, but I'm not too concerned about it because it's a leaker. You got one return here. We could, like I said, if you head this off, and I could put another grill right in there, right on that peak of that roof,
yep.
And suck
Tie it right into that.
That's actually, we need 2 returns on this for 3 tons, and that would work, and it would pull that heat right off that ceiling.
And you tie it right into there.
No, I'm gonna bring it over and put another. Whole nother flex.
Okay, I got you. Okay.
2.
Okay.
There's only 1 here.
Yep.
And that's not enough for 3 tons. I'd like to see 2 of these.
Okay.
And then that's going to work so much better.
Okay.
I just got to check the voltage on it. It should be 220. Yeah, it's 220. 208. This is 220. And it's not that big. Well, look at what he's got for fucking return in this thing. Oh, not good. Yeah, we're gonna have to rework this because you see the way these joists are. He's got it in between the joists.
Yeah.
That's not that long. That's maybe 50 inches long. We might have to do is take it and put it on the ground here like this.
That's fine.
Might have to take that and put the unit like this, and then we could dump the supply in there and then have the unit here, right?
Yeah.
Where's it go? Right outside there?
Yep.
Yeah, it goes out right there. So we could probably rework this unit. We'll lay it on the floor here like this.
Okay.
And we'll dump it into that.
So you'll take this
We'll
out
put,
and then you
yeah, I'll take this right out and we'll turn it, and then we'll put a plenum out here for 2 more returns.
Okay.
That's what we're gonna need to do.
Okay.
Have to rework it. Cause see the way it is now. I mean, there's not a lot of space. We don't have enough space for. Cause this is only so wide here. See the way these joists are. And I don't want to start touching any of these joists. Cause that's a snow load. You know what I mean?
Yep.
I mean, it can be reworked. At least you got coolant for now.